Hello, welcome to another episode of the Mark II Golf Stories. Today with a GTD, and we're going to look at replacing the oil filter and the cooler. Let's do it. Okay, so those of you who've been following the channel for a while will know that the GTD was an import and it had been sat for a number of years, and it was a non-runner. We managed to get it working, ticking over, but one of the things we noticed when we were looking at it was that the oil cooler had been totally bypassed. Don't know why that was. I can only presume that it was knackered. So as a result, we've got a new oil cooler, a new filter, which I'm going to install. So there's our existing oil cooler and filter, and as you can see, there's no pipes going to it, and all the pipes on here have been totally bypassed in a really weird way. So we're going to take those out and try and get the pipes, try and get it plumbed in correctly as well, because obviously it's quite important to have that plugged in. So the first thing we need to do is try and whip that off. So you need one of these, hook it around the can. Not a lot of room to play with down here. So obviously, as standard, we can't get it off with the chain. It's on absolutely solid, so we're going to try getting creative. Okay, so we're right the way through. I'm going to try and turn it.
Yeah, going. It's got it. I think it's all turned actually. It's all turned.
That's tight.
Bloody hell. Ah!
Yes. Yay!
Bloody hell, was tight. Yeah, right in. Oh, I got it there.
This was a bit tough to get off. Bastard. You know, it just goes underneath. There you go, my dad's got a trick for getting oil off your hands. WD-40. Particularly good for engine oil, right, Dad?
Good for anything, that.
Lovely.
Right.
I'm going to attach this pipe. Goes onto the top of the oil cooler. There we go. The first time in God knows how many years that is on the right place. Dipstick.
Who is? Call me a big dipstick.
Where did that go tighten onto?
That?
Yeah. On the side there.
Tighten?
Don't know. Guess we'll find out when it starts pissing out oil.
Well, it's got to be a minute. Ah, there you go. Well, that easy, taking that out.
Was easier. This won't tighten up anymore. Oh, it's all bloody rusted.
Got a small screw now. Have you got a screw? A small flathead?
He's got a flathead.
Well, you've got a big flathead really, but that one too, isn't it? Is it tight? Okay.
In the bin.
Get this back on.
Should we get the oil filter on? Well, that's one pipe on the oil cooler. What a bloody nightmare. We can't put the other pipe on the oil cooler at the moment because we think the metal pipe we have is missing one of the junctions off it. So yeah. So we're just going to go ahead and put other pipes on. We're going to put the oil filter back on, and then I'm just going to see where we're up to. Right, now we'll get some engine oil, put it in there, and bang it on there.
Right, this is on.
What?
Move it around there like that.
Yep.
Okay.
Lovely. Well, that's how you replace the oil cooler and filter and a couple of hoses. That's from showing your arse there, Dad, while I'm doing this.
That's alright, I don't mind.
I'm probably going to do another video going through replacing all the hoses, so it might touch upon some of the stuff that's already been repeated, but we'll do the rest of them as well and attach the radiator in another video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, maybe leave a like and click on subscribe, and we'll see you in my next video. Thanks a lot, bye bye.